matter what your eyebrows look like, in today's video you'll get to know which product will be best suited for you. Hi guys, my name is Muskan Ingorani and I'm a professional makeup artist, and in today's video I'm sharing all about eyebrows. There are various types of eyebrows, okay? Some are very non-existent, very barely there ones. Then there are thin eyebrows, and then there are medium eyebrows which are not too thick, not too thin, and then there are bushy ones like mine, okay? Now with different types of eyebrows, there are different types of products which are available in market, like gels, pomade, pencil, even sketch liner type product. There are so many eyebrow products today available in the market, but I don't see many people having knowledge about it, especially beginners. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you which eyebrow product will suit your eyebrow the best. Now I'm not going to be talking much about shades because it is a total another video altogether, but in this video it's all going to be about products. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. The first eyebrow product I'm going to be talking to you about is called an eyebrow gel. Now there are two types of eyebrow gel which are available in the market. A clear one which has no color to it, it's just transparent. Second is a tinted one, okay? Now eyebrow gels are best for people with bushy eyebrows or thick eyebrows like mine, okay? So for people like us, we don't like to do much with our eyebrows, but we want them to set in place and do not move around all day long, right? So if you like that, you can just use a clear one. If you don't want to fill them in or anything, then you can just use a clear one and it will be set in place for all day long. You won't have to worry about it. But if you want a little bit of color and coverage and little bit of filling into it, then you can go for a tinted eyebrow gel. There are many available in the market. The one I like is from Essence. It's called Make Me Brow. It even has tiny little fibers. I hope you can see that. Okay, it has tiny little fibers which will help in giving a little bit of color and shade to your eyebrows while setting them in for all day long. I personally love this product for my everyday use, and yeah, this is what I would recommend for thick eyebrows. This is the best option for everyday for you guys. So the second product I would like to talk about is the most popular choice and most people use it. It's called an eyebrow pencil. Now eyebrow pencil is, I think, personally best for everyone, but best suited for people with sparse or thin eyebrows, okay? It will help you fill in your eyebrows, give it a little bit of lines if you don't have somewhere, and fill them in properly, okay? Now there are two types of eyebrow pencils in the market. One is called a thin one, which is very pointy and very micro and very precise. It will, if you don't have hair basically, it will literally help you draw fake hair and draw them in perfectly, which is why I like them for making proper hair like strokes here on your eyebrows. So this is best suited for thin to sparse eyebrows, with basically non-existent ones. Next is an angular eyebrow pencil. Now this one will not help you draw fake hair. This is for people with medium to full eyebrows which need a little bit of filling in here and there, and the thin one will take them a long time to fill in. This one is a little bit thick, so it will help them fill in fast and it will not give them hair stroke like things, okay? You don't, for people with medium to very thick ones, we don't need a lot of coverage. We just need a little bit of filling in here and there. So for us, for people like me and for people with medium eyebrows, the angular one is the perfect choice. But it's again up to you which you like. This is my personal recommendation for you. Next product for eyebrows is an eyebrow felt tip pen, okay? So just like there are pen liquid liners, now eyebrow pencils as well, okay, which are felt tip, which basically are a little bit liquid in texture. This is perfect for people who have barely no eyebrows. So if you have almost no eyebrows, there are very few ones, and you like a proper full thick eyebrow and you like to draw them on and make your shape for yourself, this is the choice for you because it will help you draw. Now this again is not liked by everyone. This one has mixed feelings. Some people like it, some people absolutely hate it. So if you want, you can try it, but I cannot guarantee if you will actually like it. So yeah, this is for you, but this will also need a little bit of time for filling in and making your full eyebrows. You cannot just expect it to work miracles. I would yet say if you are a beginner, don't go for this. Go for a proper eyebrow pencil. Don't go for the liquefied version in the felt tip pen. Go for a normal pencil if you are a beginner. But if you are already very good at it, if you want to experiment more, then you can go for this felt tip pencil. Next eyebrow product I am going to talk about is an eyebrow powder. This is again best for people with thick or bushy eyebrows like mine. Okay, so it will help you fill in, will not give you too much coverage, will look the most natural, even more natural than a pencil. In fact, I feel that. For filling in your eyebrows with eyebrow powder, you will need an angular brush, and it is very natural product. If you are a person with bushy eyebrows or thick eyebrows and you're just starting out, I would say start out with the eyebrow powder. It is the most easiest to apply, will give you the most natural look, and even if you do go wrong, you can just wipe it off and it will go away. It will not at all spoil your look. Get your own time with filling it. So yeah, that's my recommendation for people with medium to full eyebrows, even thin eyebrows, I can say. Basically, if you have a good amount of hair and you don't like strokes, then this is the perfect option for you, an eyebrow powder. And also a tip, a little pro tip right here, you can even use an eyeshadow as a eyebrow powder. You don't need a specific eyebrow powder. I have done this multiple times. I have shown this multiple times on my channel. I have done this all the time, and I've showed it also in one of my videos. I will link it here so you can watch it, and you will know filling your eyebrows with a eyebrow powder. People who have almost very little hair on your eyebrows and you like to draw on, I won't suggest eyebrow powder for you, because it will not help you draw thin hair like strokes. It will just fill in, okay? It's in powder. It will not help you make hair like strokes. It will not fill in like the way you would like it, like hair. It will not look like hair. It's just for filling in the gaps and a little bit of spaces. So I won't suggest eyebrow powders for people with barely any eyebrows. So the next product I'm going to be talking about is one of the most popular eyebrow products ever. It's called an eyebrow pomade. Okay, now eyebrow pomade is the best one for, I think, all eyebrows, because it will help you shape your eyebrows perfectly. If you want to ever shape in your eyebrows and give them the full everything, it's the best for sparse one, best for thin ones, even good for thick ones. With thick ones, you will have to be a little bit, you have to use it a little bit less, because you don't want it to apply too much. But in most cases, it's the best for everyone. Now you will need an angular brush to apply it, since it comes in a pot. Now this one will need you the most time to apply, the most patience to apply, and it will also give you very good results. But and it will be the most long lasting ever. This is the most long lasting one of all the eyebrow products ever. Best for if you wanted to last it till all night. So yeah, eyebrow pomade is almost for everyone, but it should be in the right consistency. It should be waxy, not very creamy. It should apply nicely. It should be that creamy, but not very creamy. If it is very creamy, it will slip and slide and will go all over your eyebrows, and it will not be a pretty picture. So make sure to see the reviews nicely before buying one, because once you buy it, will last you a very long time, very long time. It lasts people for a year or something, even after everyday application. So if you want full paisa vasool thing, but one time investment too, because good quality ones will be expensive, so the eyebrow pomade one is the right choice for you. So eyebrow pomade is best suited for sparse to thin to medium eyebrows. For people with thick eyebrows like mine, you will need very less product and you have to apply it very nicely. You can, because it can go overboard very fast. It is that thick and potent, so it can look over the top very fast. So you have to be very careful while applying it pomade. For pomade, I won't suggest it's for beginners, because you need a good hand at applying, and you need a little bit of practicing with your eyebrows before going with a pomade. I would always say start with a pencil. That's the best place to start. But if you are good in the game and you like to do it, then definitely pomade is for you. So the next eyebrow product I'm going to be talking about is called an eyebrow wax. Okay, so basically it is the latest, very latest addition to the eyebrow market, and it is going popular very fast. But this is not, I would say, for everyone in like suitability. Okay, so eyebrow wax is something, it comes like in a soap wax kind of thing. You have to take your spoolie in it, and you have to dig in, and you have to apply it like this. This is best again for bushy eyebrows. I won't say this is for sparse eyebrows. Now this one will give you no coverage. So that's why I don't think it's very nice for everyone. But it will help you set your eyebrows in place for all day long. The same thing which a gel would do. I would personally prefer a gel. So yeah, especially if you are starting out, definitely go for a gel. But since it's the latest edition in the market, I just felt like talking about it. It's a wax. It comes in a soap thingy. You have to take it with a spoolie. Then you have to go fully like this, fully. This is mainly meant for people with good hair, like good bushy eyebrows, thick eyebrows. It will set them in place, because even with thick eyebrows, we all know that our eyebrows don't stay in place. They will move around. So this is mainly meant for that, so that they will stick in place all day long. But the gel also does a similar kind of thing. So yeah, if you want that, you can go for that too. But the biggest minus point of this, it will give you no coverage. So it's like an additional step for your eyebrows. It's time for bonus tip. If you are a regular watcher of my channel, you would know that I give bonus tip at the end of each video. And in today's video, the bonus tip is that whenever you're looking to buy an eyebrow product, you have to obviously watch reviews before you do that, as you would already know this. But what to look for in reviews? Reviewers saying it's not very creamy. It should not be very creamy, because if it's creamy, it will slide around everywhere on your eyebrows and it will not at all be a pretty picture. So it should not be creamy. It should be waxy in consistency. It should be waxy. It should not be very hard, not very creamy either. Somewhere in the between, so that when you apply, it's easy for you to apply, as well as it will stay on your eyelids all day long. It will not smudge or anything like that. So make sure you see that in every review, especially for pomades, especially for eye pencils. This is one of the most important parts. Okay. So yeah, that was my tip for you today. If you like today's video, then make sure to subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram. I give a lot of daily tips over there, and I've been also giving a lot of makeup tips on reels, on my captions, and everywhere. So I'm trying to provide maximum information over there every single day. So if you like the tips I give you here, make sure to give me a follow on Instagram. Also, I'm really curious to know which eyebrow product do you like the most. Let me know in the comments below. Till next time, bye bye.